Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Journey Say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: monotone paint application, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD, quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 steel, STD, normal duty suspension, STD, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped steering wheel, granite pearl coat, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth included, leather-wrapped steering wheel and transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a